Gee, that's the new fucking color. Train my dogs in for me. Want it. I don't even like Mustang. Daily drive. For sale. Let's go over here and see the little tuner car. game. Cadillac. This beautiful. Can't ask for no better. Beautiful. Oh my God. It's holy. This you? Man, she's beautiful. I think you got the best one on. Oh my God, if I was a judge, you got the best one on outgoing in this place right now. It's beautiful. It really, oh my, if I had the cash, I'd hand it to you now. Oh, it's so beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my Jesus. All carbon fiber, everything. Can't get no better. Oh, chop the top off of beautiful. 390. Beautiful. Got going on right here in this corner. Y'all in the air. It's in the air, them. Got this beautiful Ford GT. Beautiful Ford GT. She beautiful. She got it going. She beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes,
Nice red rod. Beautiful, nice and creative. Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah, I mean, we were just so happy with him. And it doesn't seem like he's not like a really bad weight right now. We were able to get in. We saw him at the last one.
Old school General Lee. Getting to my side of town, man. She's beautiful.
Now it's ready to go.
Got her nice and cool.
Everything's going to be electric.
392 plum purple. That's right there. That's all, baby. is one of the last cars. Beautiful. Oh, she's beautiful. She's beautiful. Last car, she's beautiful. She's
I hope I get it next winter. I put it on. I think so.
Well, we got an SRT 392.
Here you go.
She is not the last one.
I see one that guy goes super fast.
Man, last car as well.
Head over there, everything.
We got Church.
Ready? Isle of Man Creators on the weird name. Interesting color, yeah. For sure.
Beautiful BMW. We all want this car. This is beautiful. Yeah, she's beautiful. Beautiful Impala. This is back on the days. Beautiful. Seat lay down and everything. Oh, good shit. It's beautiful. Remember them days. Got the SS.
No lo podía bajar. Se puso más caliente.
That one cut up. Getting somewhere now, she cut up. That's what I'm talking about. Can't get no better. Got the silver side door. Everything original. Not been touched. Beautiful. Original phone. Nothing been touched on this, but this is mad respect right here. Beautiful. Yes, sir. Original like it is. So beautiful. Yes, sir. True American muscle. That's how you get the true American muscle. Yes, sir. Imagine what they had to deal with. Screens are just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Oh my Jesus, the whole roof is gone. The whole roof is gone. Yes, sir. It's the front wrap. Why I don't got the doors open on this one?
The grove to get a little tipsy. Find me a bitty for licky. I just got in a whole brand new bag. I'm rolling around like I missed it. Elliot, jewelry moving like juice. Knocking out gold, then it hit me. Look, I just leveled up, I thank God. Straight from the mud, now it's time to get the pie. Sweat, tears, and blood, you can see it in my eyes. My future turning up, what a time to be alive. I'm that nigga, I don't mean to brag, but I'm getting too nice with this. Ain't no way that I'm going outside. My pockets been heavy as shit. The bank is full of the blues. Bitch, I'm happy how that contradict. Same way I had to go harder when I found myself down on my dick. Make the scene eat up, keep the stoop on the stove. My ex tryna check it, so that bitch go explode. Find me at the Ritz, throwing cheese at the pub. I'm vibing in high place, keep that business on the low. I just leveled up, I thank